Hey there, my name is David. On this episode, I'm going to show you how to kill weeds with cardboard, so you can see behind me. But I've made some mistakes, and let me tell you what I've done to get better results than what I'm getting here. So first off, when you put cardboard down, I put it right to the edges like this, and eventually, as it gets wet, these, anywhere it folds, light will get in there, it'll kind of shrink a bit, and then you end up getting weeds coming through. So now I'm gonna have to go through and pull all these weeds on the edges. So I'm still creating some work for myself. So you can see more examples of this, well, right here and also right here. But yesterday what I've done is now patched all the holes with more cardboard there and there. I still have about a month before I'm gonna plant anything. We're actually gonna get a frost here like next week. So I'm gonna take this opportunity to try to kill off as much of the weeds without having to do this myself. Because otherwise I have like stuff like down here in this corner where I have to pull all that stuff out, and that's all buttercup, which is a pain in the butt. So if I don't put any cardboard down, you can see this box, I basically put one piece around my yarrow and then all this left open, and you can see there's just a lot of weeding to do. One suggestion I can make is take your weed whacker and weed whack all that stuff, or pull all the weeds out first, then put your cardboard down. And like I said, make sure you cover all the way, not only to the edge where the wood meets the cardboard meets the wood, but go over it by an extra 5 or 6 inches like I've done right next to me here. The other thing you can do is use a blowtorch, which is what I did to my morning glory, and just torched it all completely, which is far more effective, but it's also more work. You can also put down the black landscape fabric or a giant tarp. You can get these big black tarps they carry at the lumber store for their wood. They give those away for free. You can cover your whole box with that and then just pull that off in the spring. The advantage to using cardboard though is as it rains and starts to deteriorate, you can just leave it there and plant into it, and it'll help keep the weeds away for multiple seasons. So you kind of just plant with it. You can sprinkle a little bit of soil on top. Some people actually put wood chips on it. As long as you don't mix the wood chips in, it won't acidify your soil. So it looks nice. You don't have to be looking at cardboard. And yeah, it'll help keep the weeds away. With that said, all of the wood chips around my boxes are also have cardboard underneath to kill the grass. So you can see there's a few spots here where there isn't, but all this, you can see here, it's cardboard underneath. So here are some recent boxes that I've done. I didn't have them covered completely and they're starting to get weeds, so I've completely covered them. The wood is actually in about 6 inches off the sides of all the cardboard, so this will 100% kill all the weeds. Hopefully this helps you in your journey to kill weeds. Maybe you want to do it in somewhere that's a little not so open. In my town, everything's kind of shambly around here anyway, so it doesn't really matter. It doesn't look the best, but you can, like I said, you can always put cardboard down and then sprinkle some dirt on top or some wood chips, and then you'll never really even notice it's down there. You can potentially also wrap your soil and then put your wooden box on top, like a raised frame around it, so it like kind of sandwiches and holds it down. That's a lot more work though. So I don't know, be sure to subscribe. Until next episode, have a great day.